Looking for a dependable Cat-5e connector that fits seamlessly with your existing QuickPort wall plates? This snap-in Cat-5e connector delivers just that, designed to support high-speed applications like Gigabit Ethernet and 622 megabits per second ATM with ease. It's built to meet and exceed industry standards, ensuring your network runs smoothly without compromise. What makes this connector stand out? It's independently tested and verified by Intertek, ETL, giving you confidence in its performance and durability. Made from high-impact green plastic, it features an 8-position, 8-conductor configuration and a 110 punchdown type for quick, secure wiring. Whether you're mounting it on a surface, flush, or patch panel, this connector adapts perfectly to your setup. I've used this connector in multiple projects, and what really impressed me was how easy it is to punch down, even with thicker Cat-6, 23-gauge wire. The snap-in design makes installation straightforward, saving time and frustration. Plus, it fits perfectly with Leviton QuickPort wall plates, unlike many other brands that are often too large or incompatible. If you're upgrading your network or setting up new wiring, this Cat-5e connector offers solid value without cutting corners. While Cat-5e is becoming less common in some circles, it remains a reliable choice for many applications where cost and performance balance matters. You get consistent connectivity and a product that's backed by recognized safety approvals from all-in CSA for both the US and Canada. Worth a look if you want a connector that's easy to install and built to last. It's a practical solution for anyone working with structured cabling, especially when paired with QuickPort systems. The solid build and tested quality mean fewer headaches down the road and a network that performs as expected. If that's you, consider upgrading your wiring setup with this snap-in Cat-5e connector. It's ready to handle your current needs while fitting seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy a hassle-free installation that keeps your network running strong.